Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to export data from WhatsApp. I see a lot of YouTube videos show you how to export in Android or show you some extensions that you need to pay some amount of money if you want to export. So in this video, I will show you very quick the completely free way to export chat data from WhatsApp. Hope you will watch to the end of the videos. First of all, you need to install this Chrome extension called WhatsApp Chat Backup free extension. It's important. I will put this link to the description of the videos. You need to install it to the Chrome browser. I will add this extension. After finish installing, your browser will go straight to WhatsApp web. The extension will offer you a discount and ask you to subscribe, but you don't need to care about it. You click renew subscribe. You can see the price here is a pro version, but it also has free version. We can use this extension for free, export up to 30 contact, export from group. It includes the user country information and export to Excel, CSV, or JSON. We can skip this notification. Now in the extension tab, you can click to the extension. This is the home tab, this is chat backup, this is more tool. In the home tab, you can export info from groups, chat or info from label. For example, I will export it all. Export 30 contact to Excel. Okay, the first one. The second one, I will export info from chat list. Export 30 contact. Download, allow download multi. Okay, now I will go to chat backup tab. Now I can select the contacts I want to export. I will export this group. I will choose the export. Now you need to choose the time. I will choose the start time to this day. Okay. Now you can choose the attachment type. You can export image, videos, audio, or document. But this tutorial, I will don't need it. I will export this chart to Excel. You can see here I have 3 different Excel files that I exported from my WhatsApp account. I will open this one by one. You can see this is information from all of my groups. You will see the country code right here. You can see the contact name. I make this in black because I don't want to show some sensitive information. You can see the name, phone number, my contact name, group name, business accounts, last message time, participant, membership. For the second file, this file contains all of the chat information in my WhatsApp account. You can see again the country code, the country, Spain, Pakistan, Thailand. There is a contact name, phone number, group name, business account, last message, and last message time. The most important one is the chat data from my WhatsApp. Okay, this is the most important file. This one is chat data from one of my group in WhatsApp. You can see the extension can export country, phone number, format name, display name, message time, and message type. And also we can see the message body right here. It's very detailed information. We also can see the message ID over here as well. By this way, you can export WhatsApp data for completely free. If my videos was helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.